Today is June 10. Today, I look for a cake. Cake. I look for a cake. No cake. I look for a gift. No gift. Mom says nothing. Mom forgot. Why? I am sad. I am disappointed. I walk to the kitchen. Oh. No cake. No cake. I walk to the living room. No gift. I look at the calendar. Oh. Mom, it is my birthday.
Not now, Grace.
She ignores me. Mom is busy. I feel lonely. I go to my room. I feel lonely. I feel disappointed. Now I wait. I am in my room. I want to cry. Wait, what is that? I hear a sound. It is a quiet sound. Is it? Music? I open my door. Wait, what was that sound? Is it music? I open my door. I walk slowly. Surprise! Mom, Dad, friends, they have a cake! Happy birthday! Mom, you didn't forget! I am so happy! Mom, Dad, friends, happy birthday! Mom, you didn't forget! I am so happy! I was wrong. Mom had a secret plan. We celebrate together! What is your favorite birthday memory? We eat cake. I am happy. Do you like birthday surprises? Tell me in the comments.